this particular day, I decided to do some batch cooking, and I started with making some cauliflower mash, some beef patties, and some cucumber avocado salad. So let me show you guys how I made the cauliflower mash. First, you start with regular riced cauliflower. I just buy these packs from Costco, and then I heat them up on the stove because they are frozen, so that takes a few minutes to heat up. Then I add some coconut oil, melt that in, and add a little bit of sea salt. I'm really loving this one by Malden's. It's flaky sea salt. Add some turmeric, and don't forget the black pepper to activate the benefits of the turmeric. Some garlic powder, and then I just blend it up with my immersion blenders. From here, I'm just cooking up some beef patties. I get these pre-made beef patties from Costco. They're like grass-fed, grass-finished. They're super convenient. And then I just slice up some cucumber, some avocado, drizzle it with olive oil, sea salt, and apple cider vinegar. And that's it. I snacked on these protein bars from Equip Foods, and they're really good. They're really convenient. They're the cleanest bars I found on the market. And then I had some leftovers for dinner. This was really simple for my husband and I, but that was it. That was batch cooking for the day. Super easy. Day 3 was pretty easy because I had a bunch of stuff batch cooked, but I was craving a turkey wrap in the morning, so I started by heating up these cassava tortillas. I love this brand. It's the cleanest I can find. And then I used this dairy-free queso from Primal Kitchen, which was really delicious as well. Some of that leftover salad and avocado. And I'm just putting turkey, literally just dicing up some avocado and then layering it on top with a little bit of that queso sauce and adding some sea salt for flavor. Oh, I did use this seasoning I found in Hawaii, and then I just drizzled on some of that sauce and add a few pieces of that turkey. Here's the one I'm trying out, and it actually turned out pretty good. I liked it. It was easy and very convenient. Also just found this delicious dairy-free ice cream. Super good. I'm having the chocolate flavor and watching some of my favorite YouTubers. Lunch was really easy. I ended up having another turkey wrap and just used some butter lettuce just to switch things up. I also had some sliced cucumber, avocado, and blueberries in salad form, and I drizzled it with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and some sea salt, and it's absolutely delicious. And it tastes really refreshing too. And then for dinner, my husband and I wanted something a little bit different, so we ordered sushi. I usually just get a cucumber avocado roll and then a pickled radish roll. And I had some homemade soup that I forgot I batch cooked and had left over in the freezer from a few months ago, so that was really convenient and really delicious. Then the next day, I like to start with a savory breakfast as often as I can, and so I started with some beef patties, a little salad, made my protein smoothie that you guys saw earlier in the video, and then I had this super delicious sandwich. I had a leftover gluten dairy-free bagel from a local bakery, so I decided to make a turkey sandwich out of it, and it was absolutely bomb. And then for dinner, we had some lettuce wraps, and it was a very simple recipe. Just use some of that leftover turkey, added some avocado, used a little bit of dairy-free queso, and that was that. It was delicious. On day 5, I started my day again with a pretty late breakfast, actually, so I just call it breakfast/lunch, and it was just some butter lettuce wraps, and this time I used grilled chicken that I ended up batch cooking. So I just did some butter lettuce, just some avocado, grilled chicken, and I used this dairy-free coconut yogurt from Coco June, which is actually really good and pretty clean ingredients too. And it was very simple. I like to keep my meals as simple as possible. Dinner was just some leftovers of batch cooked ono and roasted veggies from the other night. And then on day 6, you guys have seen my supplement routine already, so it's just the same supplements. I do this every single day. I just didn't want to show it every day in the video and bore you. And then breakfast was leftover salad, avocado. I cooked up some of those beef patties that I mentioned that I buy at Costco. And then dinner was just leftover soup that I batch cooked and left in the freezer, and I cooked another beef patty, and that was it. My meals are super simple, and I try to keep it really simple because I am healing from topical steroid withdrawal, and so I really don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I will answer them below. Bye!